A little jerk chicken don't hurt. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make the perfect jerk chicken. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken. It's already cleaned and washed. So basically we're going to go ahead and season my chicken. So I'm going to add some black pepper to my chicken. If you don't want to add black pepper, you can always go ahead and leave that out. I will then go ahead and add some of my seasoned salt, and of course I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and of course the star of the show today is Home Choice Jerk Seasoning. Now Home Choice is a local brand here in Jamaica, and you can get all of their products at any local supermarket in Jamaica, or you can go and visit Home Choice online and buy your favorite product. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that jerk seasoning all over my chicken, and then I'm going to use my hand to just rub that on nicely. Now, some persons don't like to use their hand to rub the chicken. You know, they like to put on a gloves. What you can do, you can always go ahead and work with anything that works perfectly fine for you and your family. So once that is nicely seasoned, I will just go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative and remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. So this is roughly about after 4 hours. It's time to go ahead and start cooking my chicken. I went ahead and light up my grill, and then I'm going to add my chicken. Just a reminder guys, you don't need a big fire underneath your chicken. You just need a small fire because you don't want to burn up your chicken. And it was really windy on this day, so you know it was just blazing. You can always go ahead and have this with some festival. You can have it with some rice and peas. You can have it with some white rice. You can even have it with some potato. I serve mine up with some amazing oven roast sweet potato, and of course the full recipes on my YouTube channel. I will then go ahead now and flip it over on the other side, and this is roughly about after 25 minutes because you want to check your chicken from time to time because you don't want it to burn up at all. And remember guys, you want the inside and the outside of your chicken to cook properly. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box. You can always go ahead and check that out. Like I said, you can always go ahead and visit any local supermarket here in Jamaica, or you can go online for Home Choice. And this is what my chicken looks like once it's finished cooking. And this took me roughly about an hour or so to cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go on the inside, chop it up nicely and serve it up and come back and show you guys the final product. Stay tuned for all of that goodness. And this is the final product of my amazing jerk chicken. I served mine up with some oven roast sweet potato, like I said earlier, and some veggie on the side. And of course, I made up an amazing gravy for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And listen, I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. We're on our way to 12K subscribers. Bye guys, and thank you again for your love and support.